Yeah, they spreadin' and spreadin' and spreadin' and spreadin', they spreadin' in Europe. Yep. I've been dropping bombs, don't start no trouble with me. Trying to be isolated is a struggle for me. Gotta get involved cause the Domino Theory. Gotta stop the spread with the containment policy. I might have to die to kill the commies. Yes, I see the things that they spreadin' in Europe. We gon' put some nukes into Turkey. They gon' split into East and West Germany. Marshall's plan. Marshall's plan. I hold back, sometimes I won't, yeah. I feel good, sometimes I don't. Got finessed by economies. Giving aid to Germany. Help fix that economy. I make sure that Berlin eat. And still communism, it's a lot of communism that they spreadin' and spreadin' and spreadin' and spreadin', they spreadin' in Europe.
Hey Ron, nah, I got you, fam. Anything in the story, y'all, it's on me.
Bro, for real?
For real. I got you.
Communism.
Oh my god,
dude.
dude.
Spreadin' and spreadin' and spreadin', they spreadin' in Asia. Yeah. Hey. Korea said, do you love me? I tell them only partly. I only love the South and its democracy. I'm sorry, Vietnam was our only loss to the commies. Bay of Pigs, a dumb move by John F. Kennedy. And you know me, no communism, just democracy, yeah. Without Iron Zoya, there'd be no me. Imagine if we never beat the commies. Marshall's plan. Marshall's plan. I can do this on my own.
Thank you, Marshall.
The
Oh
missile
my
crisis
God.
was close.
Am I good?
I've been since 76.
You serious? Yeah.
Giving aid to Germany.
I want this.
Help fix that economy. I make sure that Berlin eat. Yeah. And still communism. It's a lot of communism that they spreadin' and spreadin' and spreadin' and spreadin', they spreadin' in Europe. Yeah. Communism. It's a lot of communism that they spreadin' and spreadin' and spreadin' and spreadin', they spreadin' in Asia. Yeah.